Just are you joining?
I set up first and just reset it.
Reset it.
He was rushing and they just keep it in.
There's a bunch of cash there. Only that if you want right now.
Ayun nga. Hindi pa lang kumubura.
Kaya nga, tsaka ano.
Yeah.
Hindi na pila, hindi silang yun.
Iwanan niyo sa kanya.
No, I'm not joking. I'm not joking.
Kasi hindi na ka-set up eh. Hindi na ka-set up. Dapat yan, pag nakanayin ka, automatic na mag-reset.
It's set up already. Then
Good now?
Just gotta change that.
Yeah. So it's all set up?
Okay, go ahead. Okay, you guys can start now. Stuart, shoot. Go. Start. Okay, yeah.
Anna is the first.
May handicap
Eh, may handicap ka. So, palit tayo. May nine.
No perfect game.
Come on, patuloy nyo ng strike. Boy. Yeah, doon.
Always hits the
Okay. Also, a perfect game will get a 5-pound bacon. Wow! Oh, no perfect. No perfect ka, bigyan ka ng bacon pa. Good enough, TJ.
Good enough. That's exactly what I want.
That's all you need
That's all I need.
today.
That's why I was Brooklyn. He's taking off.
Wala pang practice siya eh, wala pang practice.
No practice.
Nag-practice siya, maraming
Wow.
Set the pocket.
I hit the pocket. Hit the pocket.
Like, what is quick?
Hell yeah. Like, yeah, we should do this all year round.
My average is over 30 to 40.
Fun of Andrew tournaments.
No 10 pins.
Oh yeah? Oh really? Play exists.
All right, couple up. Okay.
Halika nga rito. Bigyan mo ba natin mo?
Hindi ako lang ng tayo ko nito. So bagay, mapababa na ang balis ha. Nakasundi mo kasama. Si Eric, mapababa na ang balis. Let's go. Dapat one over one.
Oh, pag nakuha mo yung gitna, 7 pa ba?
Oh, mahirap yan.
Mahirap yan.
Yeah, perfect. All year round.
Josh, remember the previous one?
Punched it out. Punched it out.
Mark, tuwa yung mga smoker.
Wait, you only got 9 on the left.
Wala naman akong pera na.
Ikaw pa.
Oh, yes! Kaya yung mga tira mo, sa tama eh. Ano ko wala tayo. Si Chris na naman.
It's gonna be all purple. There's gonna be no white. Yeah, me too. Yeah, see.
Yes! Tapos sumama ng hit.
Dapat may prize, walang strike.
We got the Christmas color there, sir. Green, purple, white.
Sorry, I forgot about 9 pin no tap. What's after 9 pin no tap? What's after 9 pin no tap?
What do you mean? What's up?
Is it just 9 pin no tap the entire time?
Yeah.
Okay,
For the 2
okay.
games.
Okay. Yes, some leagues do like 3, 6, 9,
Oh, no.
third.
So you're just
Yeah.
doing this.
Yeah,
So
okay.
we have prize as well for the game.
Oh, my God.
You have an easy price? 9 pin no tap. As long as you don't miss by 10 boards, you're okay. You're okay, right?
15! Ball return!
Time is loose. I do a little break.
Have a ride! Oi, 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 oi! You can go like that.
Well, I wasn't looking earlier.
Okay na! Hindi ko nakikita yung nasa likod eh. Yeah. Nasa likod. Wala tao. Wala tao sa likod.
Wala pang strike. Wala pang strike.
Hey! There is handicap, but not very much. Yeah, it's not fair for
Ako hindi na, ako pa kapitan. Ayaw pa ba niya?
Proper riding.
Bumiti ka naman!
Buti nagawa sa bacon. took some.
Direct!
Lowest ko na.
Next door?
Pinakalawa sa lahat.
Nelson.
CJ na lang. Wala ko yung Christina. Ay, Christina, wala ko yung Christina. Tumalo si Christina, binigyan mo yung mga pagkalas na.
Babe. I need
Oh no, I just like I used up all of these Thursday.
I know how you feel. I don't have a strike yet. I don't have a strike either. Mira, lo nilito ko yun ayaw eh. Oh, may award yan. May award. Is there an award to get that? Dapat may reward, no strike.
Yeah, no, it's right. On the way.
Am I allowed?
Oh, I'm on the process too. Ayan na. Bumabawi na ako.
That's too much coffee.
Shut up, you know it's good.
Way too much. Way too much.
Good enough. Good enough. Yeah.
Hey, go on the roll.
Perfect.
Meron din clean game dito.
Maraming green game. Reward ako quick daw.
Wala siya.
Purple there.
Actually, you don't get one of those strikes just like you.
Yeah, me too. We know how to get 9.
No kidding. What?
Balik niya.
No white. Natural.
Last time.
Natural.
You didn't look last time.
Organic straight.
Come Derek. Itirahan ko ba? Wala nang bite.
Nurse! Evidently, nalabang kayo ah. Sasali ko. Di! Tignan mo na, halika! Pag yung asawa mo.
They just throwing it in the pocket.
I'm just throwing it, yeah. Just throw it. Just throw it. All just in the middle. Yeah. Real one.
Give him the bacon!
Watch out.
Girlfriend category yun.
That's a YouTube.
Nagpa-practice pala si Ray.
Bakit may ring na ako ba? Pag-practice?
Practice niya.
Wala kasi Milo.
Kasi hindi na-practice. Hindi siya nag-practice kanina.
Kasi sa first year, sanay na.
Sanay sa first group yun. May one kick ka lang yung out. 72. Nice! Wow! Walang dalang kayo.
I know.
Bakit una yung game? Bakit una yung game? Just like that. Hindi naman ako nagpa-painkiller eh. Hindi sana ako mag-bowling ngayon. Masyado masakit ang buhok ko.
Tira mo yata. Ah, si Ray.
Christina, tanda mo, ikaw walang handicap ka.
Kaya nga eh.
Ito na lang gagamitin natin sa ano?
Pagtingin ko, bakit zero?
Sa...
At least naging kapitan ka mo.
Kasi yung top, yung 1 to 5.
Wow!
13 to 12.
Ang dami namin dala kasi. Ang dami namin dala. Buti nung binaputa kami sa kaso. Yung hang lang naman ito ba?
Kaya kami may wave. Ayun na.
Tama, dapat talaga may record pala. Kasi nag-practice eh, dapat. Nag-practice eh, hindi mo siling niya ako. Yes, Diwata, yes! It's about time, Diwata! Don't say not that one. Hindi natin try mo yan.
Doesn't matter now.
Second place na lang, second place.
We're going to be.
No! Kaya lalaki na score mo. Ah, going for one, ha? Going for one.
500 pa lang pera. Sa akin.
Oo, last! Gusto ko yun. Saan yung pinag- Oo. Sayang. That's okay. Nice try, Henry.
Oh my god.
Oh, he's giving us a chance.
I haven't done any spares today. No spare practice. No spare practice. That's why you practice some spares.
You made it? Yeah, you can only practice minimum of 2 pins. or
2 pins, yeah.
Single pin, no practice. Come on, Nurse! I love it! Yeah, but number 2!
That lead. But it's 24.
500, walang pera.
Kumakit! Bars, ito! Ano ko dito?
Okay. Tatawagin nyo kami pag meron kayong split, ha?
Sammy really wants that. You know why?
Kanina naman ang risk ko, eh.
I told you I can get 9s, no problem.
Ano yung risk ko?
Dalawis naman, nagbigay $20 si Bebo.
Oh, hey!
Ayaw yun.
Malakas kasi.
Pinapahabol niya ako, ha?
Hindi ako pinahabol niyo.
Hindi ako sa mga open deal, eh.
Ha? Ako eh.
When you know you don't have
I can catch up. Don't worry about it.
Good to the try! Good to the try!
Tomorrow, ever since the tequila,
Oh! Si Nars, ang galing! Sabi ni Nars, dapat tatigin natin, strike rate na lang. Hindi na tayo magsasaksaw.
nagmamadali ako. That's a 4-9. Nagtumigil ko. Kaya sabi ko, ay, lalay siya ako.
Wala si Joe. This is the big you.
How is Eileen?
Oh, bibigyan na sa sama. May games lang. May games lang. Magbabayad ka na mas malaki pag ang 4 games.
Tayo referee. Ito makabawi ni Milo.
Ayun, sila na ba kayo?
Joke lang.
Bakanal! Bakanal! $5! $5!
Parang ginawa yan.
Hoy, sinasa lang ang buhay. Ayan, split. Sirig, sirig. Oh. Oh.
Kasali ba yung magaling? Kala ko hindi yung ano eh. Yung sakit lang dito sa atin.
Yeah, in the pocket. In the pocket.
Nurse is still out.
Yeah, nerd.
Yeah.
Sinasa, perfect. He's the only one. He's the only one. Sinasa lang ang buhay.
Malayo pa kayo paring nurse.
Sayang ang puta kita. Oh, isa likod yan. Bubulot ka nun, bubulot ka.
Oh, yeah. Pag nakuha mo yung lahat ng pare. Hindi ba muli dito? Dapat yung sa likod lang.
Ayaw niyo magpapagdalas. Gusto niyo. Good enough. Good enough. Ayaw niyo kasama sa grupo to.
Yeah, no, that was a strike.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, what do you mean good enough?
Wala ba po yung pick up ng one? Wala tumatawag sa akin.
Not one for you.
Oh, open one?
Yeah, I opened one.
exhibition, not for the money.
Natin sila. Puta, marami akong pa-play sa kanila.
Oh!
Dami ako, mga super.
Pa, wala kang board na.
Okay, yan. Boy!
Oh, a little high. A little high. Oh, no. Oh, it worked.
Fine, fine, nice.
All the way, all the way. 244. 244. Six five. Ay, fight for second.
That's for it. That's practicing? No, no tap. Practicing in 30 years.
Then next week you gotta go score low because you gotta throw those spares now.
Yeah, you didn't practice.
What happened?
Oh, that's okay. You're going for the one pin.
Get John, you got all the field.
Yeah.
265, John. Hey, no, look at look.
Come on, get
Oh, yeah. Kasama mo ako eh. Yeah. Leo, you're so good.
What's her?
Too sharp. It's too sharp.
Malakas talaga humok ang bola niya eh. Kala ko yari na, malakas talaga humok ang bola mo.
$31. 251.
Ay, Marky?
Yeah. I normally hate that.
You love it today.
I love it today. Yeah.
Not ink. No ink, no ink.
It's okay, last play na yun. 198.
One more.
Yeah, get it, that one.
Ayan, bigay.
Draw it.
What is that?
The left hand side.
4.9. It's a 4.9. 4.9.
Kaya kay...
On the way, run. That was great. That was close.
That was good.
That's how you do that. Nice.
Yeah.
Go slower.
Go slower. Yeah, that's how I do. Almost 7.
Come on, Avery. Hook it up.
Yeah.
Put it out. Put it out. Pinarso, hindi nahihiya. Siya lang ang lalaki rito, puro babae ang kalaban ni Roderick.
Eh, naging kapitan naman.
Itong babae kalaban ni Roderick.
Naging kapitan naman. Ano babae ka sa babae? Ako kapitan. Ako ang ninom.
Nasa grupo ng mga babae. Roderick nga eh. Si Roderick, si ba may puming bakla? Ano ko si Eric ang mula mo?
Milo! Tinalo kita! Dapat
Pababaan
yan ako!
tayo ha, pababaan.
Mababayang pala dyan eh!
Preview daw.
I think I'll just do this.
Ay, puta na, may video mo ba? Isang lang ito eh, isang lang.
1-9.
It's alright.
Yeah.
Ay, magbigyan mo yung mga babae.
Sinong naglilista? Ilan bang palakas ng mga babae?
Yan, sinasabi ko. Yan, respect talaga.
Yeah.
Iniisip ko, kalaban ko na naman si Josh eh.
Second place. Second place.
So far, original, no? Isa.
233.
Nice games.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Clutched up at 8 spare.
Hook!
You're second for this.
Wait, big clutch.
We have handicap. Oh, that's true. Yeah. How much is handicap? Wow.
That's no big thing.
Yeah.
That's okay. That was just warm up.
Yeah.
You got the scores?
Good. Good.
We'll wait. I think we're eating after.
Ano ba niya, eat now?
The blind double. Blind
Oh,
double.
blind double, yeah. Pwede na bumulo. Hey, bumulo. You guys pick a card yet? Pick a card, Josh. CJ.
No.
Ayaw naman.
Wala yung bet pa. Kami sa CJ, sa Rona.
11 na lang.
Okay na yun. Okay na yun. Ayos ba lahat, Eric? Ayos. Perfect. Ah, Brandy.
Oh no. Oh.
Changes the speed. Oh!
Busog,
You got
busog.
one, you got one.
Busog.
Shake.
Oh, dito pala. Ang ganda mo. Carvin.
Garmin. Ah.
First look of the second game.
Dennis.
Oh, no good. I saw it right away. No good. You guys can still keep eating if you want. Go! Good enough. Okay, good job. For me, that's a strike. Strike.
box. Sa dulo. Sa dulo ng looming. Looming. May box doon.
Kahit pipilay-pilay, nakaka-stress pa rin.
Naging basketball, once they play, they're out.
I know that start. Cool. I had that start.
Dapat nag-nagpilisan dito kay... Pagbalas!
Too much.
Oh, it's perfect.
It dies.
To be honest, I didn't know that was the rule.
Yeah, you could drop.
I thought it was like NBA,
You could drop people on the bench. And
which is weird. Because the actual strat, like what I thought was pick them up to keep them on the bench, which is like what I did last matchup. Like I picked up as many defenses as I could.
well, that's what I'm doing because he plays last.
Yeah, which is like smart. I just didn't know you could drop them
Walang kulay,
after
walang kulay.
most leagues when it's locked in, it's off.
Oh,
Well, I guess I can't say I haven't been in fantasy that long. But
Well, it's been like that in basketball.
I have to say.
Like your leagues like that.
But it doesn't happen. But it doesn't happen. I don't know. I feel like it's just like walking happens
hindi
every,
nyo dapat
every
may
fantasy.
penalty yun.
Oh, what I mean is like,
Parang kanal. Dapat ano, reset. Bro.
Player plays on your bench and you're like, oh, they didn't have a good game. Like, I'm gonna drop them and pick up someone. Like,
On my bench, though, like, I can't even consume those points.
and then they go back to the waiver.
And then but you can't pick them up because they play
Exactly.
already.
So that's why it's like if they play, it should be like they're done.
Kuha lahat. Oh, galing.
Honestly, the Reds, I only get mad.
Galing nun.
No, it's actually closer than everything. My projected 9 up. I'm only projected 129 to 120. It's not that big. He has 3 All-Stars playing. That's it. Yeah, look. 127 to
118.
119. It's not a for sure thing. Only up 137, but she has 3 okay, 2 All-Stars.
Oh, he's on.
Barkley and Puka.
Kumuha nga ako may choice, ayoko ng gusto.
Alright, Ronald, I'm gonna break this trend here.
Pinukuha nyo yung nasa likod lang. Next time nyo. Ayun na, Frank.
Gusto ko yung split eh.
Ayos na.
Real, hey. We're all real today. Dapat dun ako eh. Kapitan eh.
Ang dito ka, pag dito, dito na.
I was even looking, I thought you were going to leave.
Got it!
Wait, I realized why I didn't have your basketball.
I guess
Original.
it's,
Ayaw magpahabol. Ayaw magpahabol. You guys can keep on eating. Like, you guys are eating.
Yeah.
I think
It's the real change is next year, too. I'm just trying to get 9 and then I'm getting surprised.
But it should have gone back over.
If I drop Slayton at 304,
Yeah. Even if you drop it at 310, finishes, it should have gone back over.
but you have to come up with it.
Good enough, Christian. Good enough.
Like, you could have got 30 for free. Now you have to spend 5. Like, that's bullshit. Like, because someone's picking them up to
Oh, you can come wait for that. I knew it! That's what I want.
but you pick them up Thursday. Right? And then you're like, ah, man, nothing. Now you have to
I mean, that happened to, across White. Somebody dropped in my water.
I don't think he's gonna go to the thing. That wasn't even.
Bad first ball. Parang ayaw ni Eric Freeman ko. I find this to tapos na. Freebie, Josh, freebie. All right, that's all, Brooklyn. Thank you, oh, perfect game. Perfect game for this one. Oh!
Like, it only happened because there's exactly. If your team is healthy, then what do you do?
And then her running backs are the perfect start. More plays. Really nice.
Ayaw ko pahabulin.
Yeah, on bye weeks. But I think that what they were doing was making them people sooner than they do. Like, this is a very
Hey, wala.
it's such a and then the other words, they know this. Like, we're used to football. And if so the goal was like a four automatic shift.
Bigla nila sumasakit. I started yesterday. another league. Like that.
9 league.
That's all you need.
Top league.
Punta ni Elson, 5 in a row. Dapat niya, Bebe, pag pumunta na ka 7 in a row, pwede mo ito. Meron ito.
Hindi naman po rin na raw.
Bakit puro na rin? So, okay, gawin na, Chris. Ngayon, 7 in a row. Mamaya, 5 in a row. Oh!
Dapat 3 in a row.
Hello?
Kainan na.
Hindi na kasi, hindi na sa inyo. Kahit strike, kahit the knife. Oh! Tapos next game, 5 na lang sa No, I'm playing a real game, no strike night. Because I'm going to say no strike night. But this is just for fun.
Going so fucking on the short stairs.
There's Chris. Get it going!
That's a pretty, that's a tough spare.
Get it up! Hold on, Papa. Two more, Ronald. 2 more. Get it up. Next game, go.
Guy needs 2 more.
2 more to go. You want that bacon, man?
Really? Nice to strike up. Yeah.
Ah! Nice shot, Maggie. Ay! Ano ang problema ng Nelson? Laging kanan! Laging kanan, Tim! Brooklyn! Brooklyn! Ano?
Good enough.
Tao sa likod!
Oh, there's 2.
Yung strike eh! Nasa likod siya. Si Ray, isa na lang! Ano ba eh? Ano ba si Ray? Ano magaling na hindi ka sa Ray, di ba? Hero kasali si Ray.
Dati, para sa kabuhayan. Isa pa.
You need 10.
Lalagyan ka din ng lipstick, ha?
Kuya Bebot, sa kanya na lahat yan. Pag nakuha ni Kuya Bebot yan, sa kanya na lahat ito. Kanya na lahat ito. Teka, siya muna nagbigay mo. Oo, na-explain ko.
Thank goodness we don't have to do those, because that would be. It's crazy how that hit affects your food when you have to hit it up. That also affects your score pretty bad. Yeah.
Masakit sila umampas. Tatlo na lang.
Six, one more. Hey.
There you go.
One more.
Ano? Ito. Ray, pampito yan, pampito. Sa kabuhayan. Sa kabuhayan. Ano na?
Pagpili ng diet.
Hina ng tira niya eh. Hina ng bumpers. Kala ko puntis na naman sa kusina. Sayang na.
Take one. Oh, 10 pin lang.
He never reaches projected. You legitimately just suck.
Calling Amy. Ay na si Eric, dumating na! I keep forgetting my left hand. Ito sabi mo ngayon, 5 na lang. I love it! No tap me, no tap me.
Oh, indeed. Oh, no. Brooklyn.
Isa na lang! Isa na lang! Para si Ray! Para si Ray!
Say that, I'm next.
Ibigay ko na lang ito.
Next guy is.
Ikaw pala, wala ka lang.
No one wants to get fired. No one wants to get fired.
No. Come on, Ray! Oh yeah! Dalawa pa, dalawa pa! Alright, Kwasa! Oh, okay, Ronald! Huwag kang kakabahan, Ronald! Wala po, nagre-request yung mga babae. Green na rin lang daw sila. Oo, sige.
Original strike! Original strike!
Mas mahirap yung spare. 3 spares in a row. Masakit nga pala yun.
Sanay ako eh. Sayang na eh, sayang.
Papalas na na, pre.
Napasa nga presto. Alright. One more, huh? Mamaya, hindi na, umaga na natin, 5 na lang. Oh, no top, baby. Oh, another one.
Oh! Chris, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kailang 6.
Tagalang! 6! 5 na lang dyan!
Split! Ah, hindi split ka pala to. Pare.
Kasama si Nart.
Dapat sa kanan lang, sabi mo. Okay!
Pinaragay po na yung 6.
Okay.
Layo.
Okay, Chris! Nakapito si Chris, nakapito! Oh, sabi niya! Ano na siya? Ayaw niya, nagkakita ko sa team mo. Yo! Nagtatrabaho sa team mo.
Dennis! Nakapito rin ako eh!
Hindi, kailangan sunod-sunod. Okay.
Right in the end.
Oh, split, split, okay to split.
Yeah, I can get this one. Like all these.
Okay, naman. 252. Sila yung bababa ata ng first game. Sila yung withdraw.
Kumawi lang eh.
Lamang pa rin si Josh.
Yeah, they were chasing.
Mas may handicap pa yan eh.
Oh no, I added it already.
Ang gawin yan.
The one that the handicap's different.
Oh. Ours too, you did? Ours too? How about those guys, no?
No.
No, just this one.
Yeah, he's not.
If the score and the handicap is the same, no.
Right. Yeah, good play. Kahit pa kung nagtagdahan, naputin na yan. Oh, yeah, yeah. Mula na, Christina! Ano ka lang?
Sabi ni Chris, ako na lang pumunot. Ayun nila eh.
Sabi niya sa FB, sayang ng school, bago ba kami ay pang-check
Dennis, may points ba yan? May points? 100 points over average. Pero ka lang ano, meron kang rato.
Ang laki ng total nila, oh. 4 na tao.
Yeah.
Hoy, skip mo na si Chin.
He must have done 300. But he still has to bust like
Oh, tuloy, oh. Tama kayo dyan. Hey, let's go!
Josh is losing.
241, 252, 290, 278.
Mataas nila sa akin.
Tournament yan ah. No, the handicap's there.
All right, you're up by 6.
Yun na ka rin, isa lang.
What a game!
Yeah, look at all these double games. And the worst was the 231.
290, Ronald.
Ang bagay!
Binibigay eh.
Ang bagay din eh.
Bottom lang pala. Nalo yung ano, yung 55 to 56 ka. Lumamig eh. Tagang nag-reset.
Kaya wala pang handicap yan.
Kaya si Jane, ayan ah.
I feel so bad. I was on the ground, basically. I would have preferred that. And then there was Matt.
And then I was
I was just like a fish. Yeah. But I was my head well, yes, my feet like barely fit. And I was like, put it there. But then I thought, I was like, if Dylan is like, I don't know, Dylan's like, I don't know, something happens and the crush falls, my ankle. No, like I was like sleeping and then I put my feet on there and I was stretching. And then the crouch brought like here. And I was like, but
Wala si Penestor yung
Game.
partner.
Guys, bunot muna sa blind double. Para
So Jack's again?
I don't know. Me, whatever I get.
Yeah, like
Whatever I get. We gotta get Amy. We gotta get Amy.
Amy? Where's Amy? Ronald, this is the best.
Amy. Hi, Amy. Mas pa yan, di ba?
I drew the 5.
Amy!
Wow.
Amy, good job.
bunot ka na. Ay, bunot. Sure, hindi pa rin bumubunot. Hawakan mo, hawakan mo.
What is it on? What is it?
What is that?
Jack,
Huh?
90. Wow, pocket. Solid.
Could you imagine? Like we're just
Ay, si Nax, nakakuha na.
Oh, di pa.
Ano nakakuha ni Nax?
Average.
155?
Average.
Kumpi sila kay Amy.
pa siya.
Kaya pala mainit na yung ulo.
Oo, wala pa siya.
Let's go, let's go.
Okay?
Let's go. Okay, go.
Surrounded na yan.
Sige, sige. Masama. Nakulit mo.
Ha? More.
Pinitin mo, pinitin.
Yan o, bubulot yan.
That's a good start.
Nine strike yun.
CJ.
Okay, you get a spare on the first one. Yeah, I know. Right, going for like 90 last year.
If I get another one, I'll call it as a 7.
Wow. Is it EBT? Yeah, it's 3.
Good game, Amy. Good game. Oh, Lee. 53.
Now draw 9, please. 3. Amy, draw 3. Amy, draw 9. 9, 9, please. 3.
Get Jack.
3.
Babe, yun mo kay Amy.
Yeah, you have to scan my phone.
What'd you get?
Queen.
What? Waste. What a waste. What a waste.
What did you get?
I don't know. No one yet. No one yet. So it could be. Could be anyone. Yeah, not yet.
I was gonna say for the rest of the game, you're one hand.
Okay, well, no, hell no. Yeah, I actually have to win this.
Remember, guys, 5 in a row.
I want to see. Hey, I want to see you go one shot, one hand.
I'm really bad.
I'll do 2 hands.
It hurts my hands. What the heck was that?
How's that, John?
It's a 90. What do you mean?
Blow my next shot. How do you release it?
Don't worry, you're too far away.
Yeah, I know.
CJ, how do you? Oh, you.
Break his vision. Wait a
Ano,
second.
habol tayo! Habol tayo, kung may tumayan. Si Roger.
Oh, wow.
Dapat eh. Lang, sayang. Hindi ko alam kung paano nangyari yun, pero strike.
Galing na, swerte pa. Talaga.
Dennis, pocket 7-10.
Really? You get two cards. You get two Tim Hortons cards. Oh, dalawa na lang, Eric. No tap, Nick. No tap. Oh, you're lucky. You went down the nose.
That was all good. That was all good.
Umaakit naman ito sa dito. Ay, parang
That's all you need. That's all you need. Habol tayo, Messi. Yeah, we're all chasing.
Mali yung tira mo. Lumabalas ka ng konti. Parang yung bola matama. Kung mo intindihin nyo, pag-aralan mo yung tira mo, kasi next game masusunod.
Palabas ako.
Nasa lumabas ka na dito. Kaya pasilid lang natin ng white na dito sa 10. Sa 10.
Habol! Ang ganda ng score.
All right, that's right. Turn the line now, Habol.
Catch up with Josh.
Hala.
baraha. Yung mga ano na po sa dyan, kung anong baraha. Card niya, yung card niya.
Yung second game, nakabunot na. Nars! Jeep! Nars! Grabe yung bola na yun. Really aggressive. Grabe, kala ko yari na eh. Aggressive talaga yung bola. Magaling na mag-ispan na yun. Patay na kayo. Oh! Papahabol to, papahabol. Only like, let's say 9 shots per
Galing ni Josh eh. Ayaw magbigay?
Yeah, he's yeah, like, not gonna be easy. You got two messengers.
The messenger took 2 out.
Yeah.
Mamaya tayo. Bakit pa ako nang sumanap sa
Yeah.
Yeah, solid yun ah.
I'm actually sore now.
Akin na pa ako din 8-10. Handa na ako ng 5 in a row. CJ, John, Darren, apa?
Laban bawi. Binawi na kami ngayon. Lalaban na naman daw.
Joey! Joey!
Hey!
Oh, Amy!
Dennis,
in a row for Amy again. Now you gotta start 4, 5, and 6.
Then your turn.
There is 2 left.
Good.
I like it.
I told you, let me do
What, Amy again? Oh, you have 252. She goes. Sila yung anong pinulit? 278, di ba? Oh, bakit? Who you got? Next one. 290 nga siya. Ako na, partner ko si Eric. Okay lang, parang ako mababa. Okay lang yun. Yung masama, yung partner mo malaki. Tapos, ako nag-buisit na kung... Oh, you got one. Oh, bilisan nyo, maubos na. Hindi naman. Yung mga babae, lakas tumira, trainer eh. Si Amy. Oh, meron to. You guys check it, there's $10 in there. One more. Tumigil ka na. 5 minutes na tayo pag-ibig. Oh, Ray.
Well, yeah. Ray, get out of here.
Okay, here we go.
Still there.
You beat me just in the handicap.
Yeah.
I'm up by 4 pins.
Four pins, yeah. Handicap.
By handicap, you beat me.
Saba!
Wait a minute, where you hit the lane.
I don't know how it swung though. It looked very weird.
Back, front end. You got it.
Bakit? Hindi naman strike siya eh.
Galing! Walang 7 pin. You missed that 7 pin. I missed!
Hey, you stand farther left.
Oh, nakakuha. Habol, habol!
Tabunot.
Minsan na sana, para may chance ka.
Lahat meron.
Para meron.
Oh, split!
Saan nakaliko ka lang?
Nice shot.
That one hooks. The other one doesn't hook.
Yeah, mine it doesn't turn that way.
This side, yeah.
I wired it a little bit, but
This side grab, but this one.
Nalulusot ko nga sa gitna eh. I tried it in the middle like yesterday. When you try, you won't get it.
70.
Yeah.
About 7.
Oh,
No, 8 pin. Missing 8 pin.
Dr. Ray going head to head.
Acrobatic pin.
Side grab. Side grab. Side. The other one goes longer.
go! Lahat sila mag-ama.
I gave you the
Sila
first
nasa
time.
all of the
All of the above,
Oh, yeah.
All of the above.
like Amy, you, and your dad.
Oh, yeah, my dad.
Mapupurga kayo.
Well, we're all different houses, so.
Yeah, that's okay. You can keep it somewhere. Like, you defrost it, because it's so much. If you defrost, you can't. Every 5 pounds.
My wife's mom, she has the restaurant, right? She's good at cooking. Yeah.
Oh, no.
Pwede naman.
Yeah.
Ito nga pa sila eh.
Wala na, 8 ngayon, 9.
Kung 90 na lang para sa iyo, ano.
Nahabol na si Jazz.
I think you will.
Oh!
I think you will. They haven't the scores for him.
640 right now.
Ano na ba?
May plus 15 pa sa akin si Jazz.
Ano ba? Oh, nilagay na.
Oh, it's there already?
It's already there.
Total and handicap's different.
Oh, no wonder we got the 600. I'm losing. I need another game.
Yeah, you need another triple. You need just spare and you need triple.
Parang sobrang handicap naman.
Money maker.
Look like 8-10 again. No catching this guy. He's been home to bacon. You know who's bringing home to bacon? Josh, CJ, and Amy. The whole family.
Holy! That's a real strike. Already close it?
Holy Amy! No top league for you. One more, you get another one.
7 more and you get all of it.
Kaya ng premium ni Chef, premium $10. Last year, ko yun. What the hell is this guy? $10 for your number. Malaki pa ang kailangan nito. Malaki pa ang kailangan nito. Gusto ko na ikaw.
It's like, you can't tell. You can't tell. It's hard to tell. What's the score? Back-to-back spares.
Anong bahala sa bacon mo? Ayos na kaya ako bacon. Andiyan naman pala si Eric, sabi niyo bumoy na. Oh, last na naman kayo. Tagal naman po.
I didn't know you consider already.
The pressure got to me.
I mean, like, look at it. It's like a wall of picks.
If he gets a double, he'll catch you.
Oh, I know.
Yeah,
That's why I'm all I know is as you were striking, I was may $10 ka.
Solid gold.
Oh, dalawa pa.
man, I was so close to shooting. I hit like center. Split.
Pupunta muna kami sa casino.
Ako, halfway lang na ito eh. Tapos naman. Oh, 5 na raw. Oh, 5 na raw. Bilisan nyo, natitira eh, 3 na lang. Only 3 lang. Oh, one more for Amy.
I guess everyone else is almost done.
Okay, your cut off. That's it. Gandalo. Galing ni Amy, 6 na raw.
Dapat meron kasi sa Panginoon.
Okay, nakakuha na siya. Dalawa na. Dalawang.
Dapat meron din ako sa 7 in a row eh.
Oh, isa na lang lang. Tumira ka na. Okay, that's it. Okay. Empty.
Only 700.
It's empty. Baka pwede lagyan nyo ng pera.
Marami pa quarters.
Amy. Saka lang, wala na eh. Wala na.
All the way, all the way.
Ano ba mo yan?
740 right now. 740 all the way. We'll see.
Hoy, dami pagkain. Kumain kayo, hoy.
Getting the strike.
Alright, 760 na, 760.
Wala na, tapos na.
All the way, all the way. No, 770.
Sige mo ha, first, second, and third yung mga fourth. Para pag pinasa ka mamaya.
Yeah, yeah. See? I told you. 740. You need it all the way, 760. If you went all the way, it would have been 770. Hindi, panalo ka na. It's added.
Wala na. Split.
Wala na.
Wala na.
Pwede pa kaya?
And our second job.
Hindi pa kinuha? Sayang sa blind draw po. Baka talo ka ng 1 flip. Sabi ko na eh.
Nice game. Galing.
Ay, salamat ka.
I-apply ko kay Ron ng ano, pin.
Hoy! Balik ka lang namin.
It was a lot farther than I actually thought.
Tapos ikaw mo na rin ano, 759. 700.
Kaya nga taas eh.
700 club.
Diba, ayos, no?
Yes.
Kaya,
Dude, I even changed the release to make it more extreme.
Man, sobrang bigla tayo.
I ate
Ano? Mag-group picture tayo.